It's a true saying that reality shows give you a makeover. Well, over the years, we have witnessed innumerable reality shows and innumerable artists who have gone through a complete makeover post the show. They have changed many lives upside down, or in a more precise way, they changed the lifestyle upside down. Many of the reality shows are promising that they will revamp the whole personality drastically. Well, honestly, who doesn't like makeover? Clearly, these reality shows, whether it is dancing, singing, performing tough tasks, or just surviving under surveillance for days, they have given many famous personalities. While most of the celebrities lost their charms once the show ended, some participants shine in the industry with major work projects from various other shows or from Bollywood. Here we have created a list of 10 reality show contestants who went through a drastic transformation and look completely different now. Kazi Tokir is one of the most famous contestants of Fame Gurukul. Surprisingly, he won the show as well. When he was the contestant of Fame Gurukul, he used to be thin and lanky. Everyone criticized his singing abilities, but he was very controversial on the show. In the recent pick of the singer, he went through a heavy body transformation and looked completely different and nothing like his old self. Ayushmann Khurrana. Ayushmann Khurrana is one of the most bankable actors in Bollywood working recently. However, he made his TV debut back in 2004 with the TV show MTV Roadies Season 2. While many believe he deserved to win the show, everyone remembers him for his stocky look that completes with a bland wardrobe and shabby hair. There's a complete change in the way he used to look and now as he looks now. Neha Kakkar. Neha Kakkar is famous in the industry as a queen of remixes. However, she has a fair share of struggles of her own to be part of the industry. She was one of the youngest celebrities on the second season of Indian Idol. She was in the top 8 performers of the show. Talking about the looks, Neha has changed completely with dresses and makeup. She looks more confident and fitter now. Vijay Bani. Vijay Bani was considered a promising roadies contestant in the fourth installment of the show. She was loved by the fans for her athletic spirit and give no shit attitude. Bani is quite popular in the industry now with her Big Boss participation and web series roles. However, girl has changed herself completely over the time. Bani becomes a fitness freak with abs. Sriram Chandra Mayanbati. Sriram Chandra rose to fame after winning the 5th season of the singing reality show. Everyone remembers the cute looking boy with bright eyes as a terrific singer who was loved by audiences as well as the judges on the show. Sriram became a successful playback singer in the industry, but the more surprising fact is that he shed his cute good boy look to completely transform himself into a fit young man who can be asked for grooming advice. Salman Yusuf Khan. Salman Yusuf Khan is an actor, dancer, and choreographer. He became a dance sensation after he won the first season of Dance India Dance. Later, he has been part of Jhalak Dikhla Ja and became the lead actor in the dance movie ABCD. With his dance forms and moves, his physique also changed completely as the lean boy from DID became the muscle-clad, fittest dancer till now. Sapna Chaudhary. Sapna Chaudhary was already a famous dancer before she signed to be part of Big Boss Season 14. Haryana's dancing queen got everyone's attention in the house. Later, she got many offers from Bollywood as well as regional movies. And now with the fashion Insta, she changed herself completely. Prince Gupta. How can we forget the Prince of Locking and Popping from first season of Dance India Dance? Prince Gupta was one of the most popular contestants on the show. Little you know that Prince, who has a goofy hairstyle and a lean body, is changed completely now. Nikhil Sachdeva. Nikhil Sachdeva was heavily criticized for his weight issues during the Roadies season 11. He was body shamed for having a potchy body figure, but he came as a winner of the season. Later, he worked on his physique and transformed himself completely. Now he's a self self-proclaimed fitness freak, Manveer Gurjar. Manveer impressed everyone with his playing abilities and became the show winner of the season of 10 Big Boss. He was introduced in the show as a simple farmer from Uttar Pradesh and entered the show with a heavy beard and paunchy figure. When the show ended, he was completely transformed and looked better in shape now. Well, so this was the list of some of the contestants who led to a major transformation during and after the show. Also, hit the comment section and tell us whom among them was your favorite and the most loved transformation. Also, keep coming back to and subscribe telechakkar.com.
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telechakkars YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.